Hey YouTube, this is Grace. Today we're going to be doing a Wonderball unboxing video. My last video was doing the Minion ones when they first came out, and Frankfurt has released several different ones within the past few months here, and I figured I should do an unboxing of the coolest one in the whole lineup in my opinion. Today we're going to do the awesome Super Mario World, which means that they got licensing from Nintendo, which is kind of a huge deal. That means they could possibly make Pokemon Wonderballs again. If you can see in the background here, there's my Pokemon Wonderball display. And I got 2 Wonderballs from the original lineup in early 2001. So let's get started. Alright, so here we have it, the Super Mario Wonderball Plus prize, which is kind of awesome. It's one of the first Wonderballs besides the Nestle Magic, which came with a toy. United States law said that you could not have inedibles inside of edibles, so they were discontinued very quickly, and then they placed candy inside the Wonderball. This still has candy inside. The toy is not actually in the Wonderball. So let's get started. The packaging is beautiful. I've always loved the packaging. I'm also kind of a packaging freak. Yeah. So here we go. I've actually kind of collected Wonderball packaging for a while. I had the SpongeBob one for a while. Alright. You notice that this box is a little bit taller because the coin and stuff, it has a little special place on the bottom. And here we have the ball. Again, packaging is beautiful. The foil looks amazing. Got Yoshi and Toad and Luigi hidden in there. And the gold is beautiful. And then we got the cute keep going, you're almost there sign. Here's our stickers. We have Wario and Mario. Very cute. And let's see which coin we got. I think these coins are freaking cool. Whoa! Look at that. It is the plant eating guy. I have to give kudos to Frankfurt for making this metal. I was expecting plastic, honestly, but this is a metal coin, which is really, really neat. Here's a close-up. Let's open it here. This is my second one I've opened. The first one I got was a, which character? Bowser. Yeah, and the enamel is super nice. I'm also an enamel freak. Very, very cool. This one seems bigger than the Bowser one that I had. So yeah, I got the logo on the back. Again, I'm just amazed that they were made of metal. I see good things for the Wonderball line here. Then we got this little pamphlet. Oh, we got all of them. Very cool. Piranha Plant Bomb, Spiny, Goomba, Bowser, Wario, Luigi. Wow. That's awesome. I would love to have Yoshi. Yoshi's probably my favorite Mario character. I'm not a huge Mario fan myself. Y'all know I'm a Pokemon freak. Yeah, that is really freaking cool. Yep. Alright. Lighting's not the best in here. Alright, now we're going to crack open the goods. The classic shake. I also like trying to preserve the foil, because I'm kind of lame. Alright. Let's check out the foil. A peach up here. Yeah, I would make jewelry out of the rainbow foil that came with the SpongeBob ones. I don't know where it is. I have it tucked in a yearbook somewhere. And then again, the classic Wonderball mold. We got the stars blended in there, which was part of the original branding. Which makes me think they kept the molds from Nestle, which is kind of cool. I'm going to try my best to open it the correct way. There we go. That's how a professional does it. And we got Luigi. I do wish that they were mixed flavors, like they were in the past, but you only get one at a time. So this looks like we got assuming that's mango. So let's try it out. Alright. I do love the detailing in the face, and it is on both sides, as the previous, it's not gonna focus, as the previous candy was. Yep, mango. Woo! I think. I don't know. And with the chocolate. Super nostalgic as always. Love it. So there you have it, guys. The Super Mario Wonderball Plus prize. Frankfurt did an amazing job with this. They have kind of blown me away, actually, with the coin. Super freaking cool. This particular one is a little bit harder to find. I did get it at Five Below. I have not seen them at Walmart yet. But they also have the Shopkins, which I believe comes with a piece of jewelry, like a bracelet. And they have the Minions still from the very first one that they released. They have a Dinosaurs one. They have just a regular generic prize one. They have quite a bit, and it's quite amazing actually. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward for what Frankfurt has to offer from now on. Thanks for watching. Bye.